rainy day here in Tampa Bay. Have to switch out this machine right now, putting in this Dixie Narco for a Royal. We're gonna see, it's been in location for about 1 week probably, so we'll see how much cash is in there. This is a location that got shut down because of COVID, so not really high expectations. We left it set at 65 cents. The new machine we're putting on there is gonna have $1, so dollar cans in 2022, that is a must. This video is brought to you by hillvending.com/start. Free 4 keys worksheet. Go ahead and grab that today, put in your email. We also have ebooks and courses available. But we're trying to get some of this done before the holidays, get some errands done. Okay, so here's the break room. AMS right there. This Royal machine is the one we're gonna get out of here. Not even plugged in. Now what we're gonna do is open this one up and transfer, for some reason this one got unplugged. Transfer all that product. Into that machine. So we have that one installed, filled up, it's cooling down right now. That Royal is coming out. I didn't think there was any money in there because it was unplugged, but check this out. This was from the other building that's been closed because of COVID and they got shut down. I mean, the place is a ghost town. This was a cafe, completely closed up. That whole seating area, not a lot of people here. So this machine's completely cleaned out. A Royal front and back loader. It's for sale right now, $850. Who wants it? Look at this clean machine. Get you a Christmas present for the wife. But look at this. There was a few dollars in here, but let's check out down here. Boom. Look at that, some cash in here. Let's take this back, load up this machine, take it back to the shop, and see how much money is in this machine from the COVID. Have our bucket. Let's see how much money was in that machine. So there's some bills. All right. $135 and $100 in coins and $135 in coins. So a nice little Christmas surprise from our machine that was in the shutdown office. Hope you liked the video. That was a Royal machine. Gonna sell that machine. And hope that new machine, the Dixie Narco, the older Dixie Narco, can start making some money. Remember, until next time, keep your drinks cold and your snacks fresh.